Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy. So in today's video we'll be doing something different because it is the festive period and I want it to look good from head to toe. So we're going to be revamping our wigs, and if you have that coily hair that you have been wanting to throw away or give it to someone that will help you to revamp it and collect money from you, I'm here to tell you that you can do it yourself. So the very first thing you have to do is to detangle your wig, as you've already seen in this clip. Okay, the clip before, detangle your wig, and then you prep your hair food. I call this hair food, and here I'm using shampoo, and I'm also using 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, and I'm also using a conditioner and also a leave-in conditioner and olive oil, and I'm going to be mixing this together, and when I'm done I will set it aside. You're going to be seeing how I'm going to use it to revive this particular hair. Yes, it might be looking very ugly now, but watch till the end to see how it will turn out. You can do this yourself and save yourself some money, and also you can even do it to other of your wigs. So from now henceforth you're going to be seeing a lot of hair videos on this particular channel. So to an empty bucket you're going to be throwing in your wig that you have already detangled, and you're going to be adding shampoo and warm water, not hot water. So for the washing technique, just wash your hair as you can see me do on the screen. Do not wash your hair as if you are washing your clothes. Remember that this is a hair, okay, this is actually a pixie coil, 100% human hair. So you're going to be treating it like your own hair. You're not going to be treating it like it is a wig. So you're going to be washing in this particular manner, and you're going to be using your fingers to detangle. You wash and you detangle. You wash and you detangle. Usually the first wash is not that serious because the water will be very dirty. And also remember to wash your closure, just as you can see me do in this video. And this is the end of the first wash. I hope you can see the way I squeezed the hair, and I also went ahead to detangle it. One thing with coily hair is as you wash, you detangle. As you wash, you detangle. Once you get this technique, your coily hair would be revamped the right way, and your hair will come out looking so lush, as if you took it to the salon for a proper revamp. Okay, see the closure looking good. As you can see, the water is very dirty because it's the first wash. Now comes the second wash. Just the same way we did in the first wash, that is the same way we're going to do in the second wash. You wash and you detangle, you wash and you detangle, and then you strain the water from the hair the same way I did on the screen. And yes, this particular water is actually neat, and as you can see, the coils are already activating, like gradually. Then now you're going to be bringing in the hair food that you already prepped and set aside. Remember all the things that are in this hair food, and you're going to be adding it or applying it on your hair from the root of your hair to the tip. Okay, from the closure to the tip of your hair, you are going to be applying it in a generous way so that every strand of hair can get this particular hair food. This hair food will help to activate the curls. It would help to make it to look shiny. It would help to make it to look more coily. As you can see, the curls are already being activated. The next thing to do is to get a bag. The right bag to use is actually a Ziploc bag, but I do not have a Ziploc bag at the moment while I was making this video. So I got this very thick white nylon bag, a new nylon bag, and then I added my hair into the bag and poured hot water in the bucket. As you can see, I put the bucket and the hair inside the bucket, and then I poured the hot water. I allowed it to sit in for like 10 minutes so that the hair food can penetrate the hair properly. And now we are rinsing off the hair food so that the hair can be clean and neat. We are going to be rinsing gently like this. We're not going to be rinsing as if we are washing. Remember that this is a hair and you have to treat it like a baby. So once I was done rinsing the hair, the next thing I did was to bring my very big teeth comb this comb is not that small, so do not use a small comb so that you will not comb out all the hair on your hair. And then the next thing I did was to comb it from the roots, which is the closure, to the tip. Comb from the roots to the tip. As you can see, the coils are already activated, like they are already activated. Then I went ahead to dry it. Dry this under shade, do not dry it under sun, if not your hair will not come out nice. So this is the hair after revamp. Okay, now I want to activate the coils properly, and the first thing you're going to be needing is this olive oil that we used while we are making the hair food, and the leave-in conditioner from Mediana, and also this particular conditioner that helps to activate the coil. I've forgotten the name. I'm going to put the name on the screen. And then you're going to be needing an empty spray bottle, and for empty spray bottles I'm using this particular hair serum. Okay, this is a bottle I've used in the past, so I do not want to buy a spray bottle since I already have one that can serve. And also you're going to be needing water, this time around just ordinary water, not warm or cold, just room temperature water is fine. Also you're going to be needing a weave-on comb and a big teeth comb, also rubber band, and also you're going to be needing a mannequin, just as you can see in the video. So the next thing to do is to section your hair into different parts, and then use your rubber band to hold them in place so that they will not scatter the one that you want to do. And then you spray the, I call this thing coil activator. Once I mix everything that you saw on the screen, is already a coil activator for me. So you're going to be spraying your coil activator on the hair, okay, and you're going to be using your hand first to detangle. Remember how you washed, you use your hands or your fingers to detangle. So this is how you're going to be doing it, as you can see me do on the screen. And then the next thing to do is to use your big tooth comb. As you can see, the teeth of this comb is very, very big, and then you're going to use it to comb it out. And then finally you're going to be using the weave-on comb to comb it out. So you're going to be doing this in sections. I did it in twos. Okay, so this is basically the trick that you're going to be needing from the root of the hair to the closure. Like this is how you're going to do it from the back to the front. As you can see, the coils are already being activated, and you can notice the difference between the one that have not received the coil activator and the ones that have received the coil activator. And this is just the way to do it. The first thing to do is to detangle with your hand and the coil activator, going with your big tooth comb, and then finally your weave-on comb to brush it out so that the product will spread evenly to every strand of hair.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Support your girl by liking this video, okay? It would help me know that you're enjoying what you're seeing on your screen. And I deliberately left the other parts to keep repeating itself because I wanted you to understand every detail of this video so that you will not be confused. I want you to get the basic steps so that when you do yours will turn out amazing, just as you can see me do on the screen. So please remember to give this video a like. If you are yet to like this video, please do that now. And if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So now we are at the closure, and just the same way we did to the rest of the hair, that's the same way we're going to be doing to this closure. Just that the difference would be that you're going to be more gentle when you are dealing with your closure, because that part is so soft and so delicate. You don't want to pull your closure, you don't want to spoil your closure. Okay, you're going to be doing this in the most gentle way ever. If that makes sense. Okay,
I'm outside and right outside. Two-time, baby girl, you
as you can see, I went ahead to apply the coil activator even to the root of the closure, meaning that I want every part of this hair to slay and give what it's supposed to give. Okay, if you are ready for Oble December, you want to dance Oble and your hair is not eating like the one you're seeing on your screen, please let me not see you outside. So you're going to be defining the path of your hair by using your styling comb, okay, your picking comb, and then you're going to be using to define the path so that it will be so neat and natural. What I'm applying now is called a hair wask, and this would help to hold flyovers so that there will not be any flyover at the root of my hair or at the closure of my hair. And then I went ahead to use hot comb to just define it more. Okay, as you can see, the hair is already eating, it is giving what it's supposed to give. If you have watched this point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do that. It helps me to know that you are enjoying the content that I'm putting up. Remember to like this video and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the very first person to get notified once I make another hair video. Okay, and until next time, my loves, stay elegant and bye.